power lines broke.
Whoa, all of them.
Oh my gosh. Wow. All of them broke. Wow, that's insane. I told you the winds have never been this hard. You might want to turn on your hazard.
Look at it. Snap at the top. All of these.
Well, you can't see nothing.
I can't turn around here anyways. Cars aren't gonna see me. We can't see the cars on the other side.
Do you have your lights on?
Yeah.
Yes, you can see the other cars on the other side. Stop. Oh, why are you driving so fast already?
There's an ambulance. Oh, there's a car over here on the side.
What are they doing?
They crashed.
Oh.
Over there. Oh, dang, the truck hit him over here.
Wow. Not the spot to come out. Dang, there's a lot of cars.
Yeah, there's 4 of them at least. Oh, look at this car. It's not rear-ended.
I know. Don't feed it to the road. Watch out for them. Are you turning on your lights so they can go?
Yeah.
Pay attention to the road.
Oh, I'm watching out behind me too.